Hi loves, welcome back. This is Jing, the fashion director of ModeSens. As your premier shopping assistant, ModeSens helps you save time and money by helping you search and compare fashion luxury pieces from hundreds of stores around the world. As we all know, Italy is famous for great craftsmanship and well-known handmade bags. Today, I'm so excited to bring you 4 bags from our new global partner, Mirta, an Italian merchant who seeks unique, high-quality bags from the best Italian artisan at a fair price. As a personal shopper for 8 years, I'm always helping my client to seek unique brands or special pieces. I especially pay attention on the designer story behind the brands. What I like most about Mirta is that they search for the great unseen Italian artisan and unveil their creations. Today, I picked 4 beautiful bags from all the different artisans on Mirta, and I will share with you each story behind the bags and share with you how I style with them. The operetta bag from the brand Trini Salaria caught my eye with its D shape and unique spire body. The dark brown leather with gold hardware gives the bag a vintage look. The bag also comes in black. It was handmade in Florence, where perfect craftsmanship has been passed on for generations since 1955. Style it as a shoulder bag with a summer dress or wear it crossbody with similarly toned accessories. I love that I can shorten the strap so that it sits right under my arm. It's so convenient and chic for running errands. A lovely summer bag is what we all need. This Perla Bucket bag is handmade of well-polished wicker and a bamboo handle. It is very lightweight and the perfect size to put everything we need for the day. What I love most is the attention to detail. It has an inner side pocket, and the drawstring closure on top prevents small things from slipping out of the bag. Today, I'm wearing a casual white shirt and a pair of denim jeans to go out for a picnic. The wicker bag adds a fresh element to the whole look. To play with colors, I chose a gold tank top to correspond with the bag's inner lining. This style comes in other fun colorways too. You can also use the leather strap to wear it while biking to the park. Mini bags are everywhere this season. As a mother of 2, I'm always looking for something trendy yet practical. Inspired by his wife, Palateria designed this Sarah bag for a midday walk. It has a modern silhouette, nice leather material, and enough space to put all your basic essentials. It also comes in 6 color options. I love its bamboo top handle and detachable strap that allow you to wear the bag in different ways. I chose an electric blue one to go with a white-on-white outfit today. And to finish the whole look, I'm wearing a pair of matching blue mules. This is also a cute bag you can share with your daughter too. You can hardly imagine this brand just started in 2019. When I opened the dust bag, I had an oh my god moment. This is such a beautiful work of art, an amazing combination of classic and traditional. The bag is made of embossed calf leather. The front flap of the bag and the lining feature a gorgeous printed silk. The contrast of orange and green extends into the fine details of the handle trim as well as the bag stitches. All of these details make the bag so unique and a true luxury item. Even with all detailed design, the mini lady bag is actually very light, but roomy at the same time because of the classic trunk shape. An elegant bag to elevate your whole look.